Hi, my name is Dat, and this is my project 16. So this is my file structure. This is my main activity. This is my add to do, edit to do, user home activity, and the to do item class. And this is my resource file for the edit to do, for the main, user home, app bar, content, header, and for the menu, and then for the user home menu. And then I'll go to the Firebase. So in the Firebase, I have two accounts set up. One is for my account, and then another one's for Timmy. And I'll go to the database, and go to the rules. Here are my rules for my index with the category for ascending and timestamp for descending. I go back to database, and only Timmy have the to-do. So he has two to-dos right now with category 1 and category 0. And then I will log into Timmy's account. So here show up in Timmy's account, and I can edit. I can select category 1. So I put 1, and I'll just select 0. And here it's changed to 0 with the 1. And I can add a new one. And I'll select 2 instead. I'll hit add, and here add a new one, 2, 1. Alright, and then now I can go back. If I can filter out category 0 or category 1, which I don't have any. But if I do 2, I have category 2. And if I select 2 and I hit cancel, nothing happened. If I select 2 and hit delete, and hit delete, and then all of the to-dos from the database will come back up without the filter. And now I can hit back to log out. So now I'm going to log into my account. So in my account there's nothing, and I can add a to-do. I'll add a to-do, and if I try to hack into Timmy's account, nothing happened. Timmy to-do doesn't show up on mine, and I can go to my document, and here show up the to-dos I added, and I can filter it out. 0, there's nothing. Go to category 1, something come up. And also if I click here, I can hit sign out, and then it will sign me out. So that's it for my project 16. In this project, the additional feature that I added is that I added in a camera where I can take a picture and it will save it into the phone picture file. So I'm just going to leave the app real quick. If I go to the file right now. So in here, I don't have any image. And then I'll go back to the app and I will log in to my account. There's the menu, and here's the camera. And here I can point the camera. And then if I hit capture, it will capture this image and it will display it on the bottom left. And then if I go back out to the file, and then there's a picture folder, if I click on that, it will show the image. And that's it for my project 16. Thank you for listening.